The 1948 Franklin half dollar is more than just another old coin. It's the beginning of one of America's most iconic silver coin series. Minted from 1948 to 1963, this coin marked the first time a non-president, Benjamin Franklin, was featured on a circulating U.S. half dollar. Designed by John R. Sinek, the coin's obverse shows Franklin's portrait while the reverse features the Liberty Bell, a powerful symbol of American freedom and independence. But what makes the 1948 Franklin half dollar so fascinating isn't just its design. It's the story, silver content, and collectible value behind it. When the coin was first released, collectors immediately noticed its 90% silver composition, weighing 12.5 grams. Each piece holds real bullion value, making it a favorite among silver investors even today. However, the true value depends on its mint mark and condition. The 1948 Franklin half dollar was struck in Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D mint mark. And while both versions are collectible, uncirculated or proof-like coins with full bell lines on the reverse can fetch impressive prices. Coins in average circulated condition usually range from $12 to $20, but coins in uncirculated or mint state, MS-60 to MS-65, condition can sell for $50 to $200. High-grade coins with full bell lines, FBL, can reach $300 to $500 or more, depending on demand and rarity. Proof coins, which were specially struck for collectors, can go for $250 to $600 or higher if preserved in perfect condition. Historically, this coin replaced the walking Liberty half dollar, which had been in circulation since 1916. The transition represented a modern shift in American coinage, moving from classical art style to a more realistic portrait design. Franklin himself was chosen not only because of his contributions as a founding father, but also because of his connection to liberty, invention, and wisdom, values deeply tied to American identity. Interestingly, the coin's reverse once stirred controversy because the small eagle placed beside the Liberty Bell was required by law. Even though Franklin himself famously disliked the bald eagle as a national symbol, preferring the turkey for its honesty and courage. Over the years, the 1948 Franklin half dollar has become a cornerstone for collectors. Its relatively short production run, ending in 1963 with the death of President John F. Kennedy, makes it one of the shortest modern silver series in U.S. history. After 1964, the design was replaced by the Kennedy half dollar, which immediately gained emotional and historical importance. That makes the 1948 Franklin not only the first of its kind, but also the beginning of the end of an era for classic U.S. silver coinage. Today, coin enthusiasts hunt for pristine examples, proof sets, and varieties from this series. Even circulated coins carry intrinsic silver value, but high-grade or error pieces are what truly excite collectors. If you happen to find one in your collection, check for mint marks near the Liberty Bell and inspect the bell lines closely. You might be surprised to learn how much a tiny detail can change its worth. The 1948 Franklin half dollar reminds us that history, art, and value often hide in plain sight, right there in the palm of your hand.